Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Nasim from nasimreal.com. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to give subscribe because it will help me to continue working on this channel. And basically in my YouTube channel, always I try to publish my experience and the strategy or tips how you can make money online. So no more talks, let's get started. Today actually I am going to show you how you can make money with a simple strategy. Like making money from online, it's not too typical. Just you have to be creative and you have to stay focused and you have to spend time on that. Okay, so let's see what I am going to show you today. Okay, so I just want to show you today this simple website, generatoremail.email. This is actually the website will give you a temporary email. So that means you can do any sign up with this email address for 10 minutes or 2 minutes or 1 minute, whatever. It will basically provide you the fake name with a few email address. Okay, so and this website is connected to Google Ads and AdSense. Okay, so my AdSense actually ad blocker, I am using ad blocker. So this, it's not only this one. If you search on Google, you will get lot of traffic, lot of website are doing this same thing. For example, temp mail, 10 minutes temp mail, something like that, and you will find more. So this kind of website main earning source only Google AdSense. And if I show you the Google AdSense calculator from top tier country, and if I show you for the ads, it's pop up already. And here you can see, if I show you the generator.email monthly visitor volume 1900 plus. So 90k and 90k organic views. Okay, it's organic view, so it's coming from Google. And if I show you the calculator, around plus minus 90,000 views, this website are making 20,000 plus USD in every single year. Yes, you hear right, 20,000 every single month. And it's passive, it's very passive. It's just make a website and do some SEO things and then rank on Google, and they are getting the organic traffic. So you can do the simple thing with DeepSeek now. So DeepSeek is, you already hear about, is a very rich AI tools. If you write a prompt with the URL, hey DeepSeek, I want to make the website like this, DeepSeek will make the website for you. It's completely free. Just you need to do some finishing tasks. Okay, so you can do some SEO tasks on Google, and if you get rank, you can make this kind of money, and this will be passive. So it's very interesting. When I found this, so one simple strategy can make you a lot of money. So just be creative, guys. Just be creative, stay focused, and of course stay with me for seeing this kind of more strategy for making money online. So that's actually I wanted to show you guys today. And every day I am trying to publish the useful video like this one. So if you want to see more video like this, then definitely you can do thumbs up. And you want to see a lot of video and you want to support me, then please don't forget to subscribe, because it will help me to continue working on this channel. So my name is Nasim. I will see you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.